If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in basic level where we are solving previous year Tripura University questions on method of differentiation. So in this lecture we will be solving question number 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. So in question number 10, it is asked find d square over dx square and this is given. So this is of implicit format where x and y both are mixed in a function and it is given. So you can do it in this way: x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So you direct differentiate it, that differentiation of implicit functions from that topic. So if you can write differentiating with respect to x, so d dx of this x square by a square plus d dx of y square by b square is equal to d dx of 1, that is 0. So it is 2x by a square, it is 2y by b square. I have treated y as a x, then I have differentiated it. Now I will differentiate dy dx. Actually this is a function of y, but you are differentiating with respect to x. What I do d dy, differentiate with respect to y, then I do dy dx. So ultimately you can think of it as d dx. So treating it as y as x, so it is 2y by b square, then dy dx is equal to 0. From here your dy dx is equal to minus 2x by x square divided by 2y by b square, or which is equal to b square by a square x by y. This is your dy dx, 1 minus. Now they ask you to find d square over dx square. So you differentiate it again. So again you write differentiating with respect to x, again this one. So it will be d square over dx square. Again what I am doing differentiation of this one, d dx. So second derivative of this one, that will be equal to minus b square by a square d dx of again this one, x by y. So it is minus b square by a square and it is u by v format. So it is y square, y constant d dx of x is 1 minus x constant d dx of y is dy dx. So instead of dy dx you can again put that one. So it will be minus b square by a square into 1 by a square, and then it is y minus x into dy dx. You can put this one, minus b square by a square x by y, which is equal to minus b square by a square y minus or plus b square by a square x square by y. So if you take again LCM, so it will be a square y, then it will be a square y square plus b square x square. You can keep it as it is, you can keep it like this because it is just asked to find d square over dx square. Next, if you come to question number 11, what they asked in 11, find dy dx if y is equal to this. So find y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So you know the formula 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square is cos 2 theta. So you can take x is equal to tan theta. So what it will happen, it will be cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, which will be equal to cos inverse cos 2 theta. Cos inverse and cos will go, it will be 2 theta, and theta is equal to nothing but tan inverse x. So it becomes easy for you to calculate dy dx. So dy dx will be equal to d dx of 2 tan inverse x, which is equal to 2 by 1 plus x square. So this is your answer. Now if you come to question number 12, if y is equal to sin inverse x, then you have to show this one. So to show this one, this is given and you have to show 1 minus x square into d square by dy square. I am writing y2 and x y1 is equal to 0. This one you always write it side by side. What I have to prove, then you start doing differentiation. So if you do differentiate, you can write differentiating with respect to x. So if you do differentiation, it is 1 by under root 1 minus x square. Now because there is 1 minus x square with this y, so you have to take this one this side. Now you differentiate, do one more time. So it will be 1 minus x square, differentiation of this one d square over dx square plus this one constant and differentiation of this one. Root is 1 by 2 root, and then minus x square is 1 minus 1 is 0, x square is minus 2x. Chain rule, first do the differentiation of root 1 by 2 root, then differentiation of inside 1. This is differentiation of 1 is 0. So if you multiplying, then multiplying by root 1 minus x square, so it will be 1 minus x square d square y by dx square, 2 can cancel, minus x into dy dx is equal to 0. That is proved. Now if you come to question number 13, if x is equal to this, then find this. Again it is implicit form, so directly you differentiate to find dy dx. Again what you will write, differentiating with respect to x. This line you can write every time. So if you do d dx, it will be 3x square. If you do d dx, 3 is a constant, Suppose I am keeping x square constant, so differentiation of y is dy dx plus 3y is constant, differentiation of x square is 2x. First 3 is always constant. First is x square constant, differentiation of this. Next is y constant, differentiation of x square minus 2 into, again this is y cube, so you have to differentiate with treating this one as x, so 3y square, but you have to do dy dx because actually it is not a function of x, you have treated it as y. So I cannot take d dx, so I am taking d dy then dy dx. So these you have to be very careful. Now you keep dy dx in one side and take everything common. So it will be 3x square minus 6y square is equal to minus 3x square plus 6xy. So it is dy dx is equal to 3 you can take common. So it will be x square plus 2xy divided by 2y square minus x square. So this is your answer. Now in question number 14, find dy dx. Again log xy is equal to given 10x plus y. Again this is implicit format, so directly you differentiate with respect to x. So differentiation of log will be 1 by xy, then you differentiate this one, x you constant, so dy dx plus y constant, differentiation of x is 1 is equal to 10x is sec square x plus y, again differentiation of x is 1, y is dy dx. So what you do, you take dy dx one side and rest in other side. So it will be 1 by y, you take product dy dx, then 1 by x, sec square x plus y plus sec square x plus y dy dx. So if you keep dy dx in one side, it will be 1 by y minus sec square x plus y is equal to sec square x plus y minus 1 by x. So your dy dx will be equal to sec square x plus y minus 1 by x divided by 1 by y minus sec square x plus y. So this is your answer. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.